Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to get our hands dirty with some serious engineering feats. Today we're diving into one of the most ambitious projects ever undertaken by mankind. Today we're tackling the Burj Khalifa, that towering giant piercing the Dubai skyline. This isn't just any building, it's a marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity. This ain't just a skyscraper. It's a testament to human ambition, pushing the limits of what we thought possible. Imagine the planning, the precision, and the sheer willpower required to bring this vision to life. Standing at a dizzying 2,717 feet, over half a mile high, this building is in a league of its own. It's not just about height, it's about redefining what's achievable. Now, building something this massive in the middle of the desert, that's a whole different ballgame. The challenges were immense, from the harsh climate to the logistical nightmares. Imagine battling scorching heat, managing logistics on an unprecedented scale, and ensuring the safety of thousands of workers. Every day was a new hurdle, a new problem to solve. It's enough to make your head spin. The relentless sun, the pressure to meet deadlines, and the constant need for innovation kept everyone on their toes. But that's what makes this project so fascinating. It's a story of overcoming adversity, of turning dreams into reality through hard work and determination. It's a story of innovation, perseverance, and sheer grit, where engineers faced seemingly impossible challenges head-on. Each milestone achieved was a testament to their unwavering commitment and ingenuity. And today the Burj Khalifa stands, not just as the tallest building in the world, but as a beacon of what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream big and work together. So next time you look up at this towering marvel, remember the countless hours, the sweat and the brilliance that went into making the impossible possible. First things first, let's talk about the sheer size of this thing. Building something this tall means battling gravity like never before. The weight of the building materials alone is mind-boggling. Imagine the pressure pushing down on the foundation.
To overcome this, the engineers came up with a brilliant solution, the buttressed core system. Think of it like a super strong backbone. The core of the Burj Khalifa isn't just one solid column. It's made up of several interconnected walls that act like buttresses. They distribute the weight evenly, making the entire structure incredibly stable. This ingenious design allowed the Burj Khalifa to reach unprecedented heights while remaining safe and sound.
Now, building tall in the desert comes with another challenge: wind. The desert is known for its harsh and unpredictable weather conditions, and the wind can be particularly fierce. When you think about constructing a skyscraper in such an environment, the challenges multiply. Imagine the force of the wind hundreds of feet in the air. At such heights, the wind doesn't just blow, it howls and roars, exerting tremendous pressure on the structure. It's enough to make a skyscraper sway like a tree in a hurricane. This swaying can be unsettling for occupants and can even pose structural risks if not properly managed.
To combat this, the engineers used a clever combination of design and physics. They had to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to ensure the building's stability and safety. First, they gave the Burj a unique shape. This wasn't just for aesthetics, it was a crucial part of the building's wind resistance strategy. Instead of a traditional boxy design, they opted for a sleek tapered form, kind of like a giant spire. This shape helps to reduce the wind load on the building. This aerodynamic shape helps to disrupt the wind flow, reducing the force it exerts on the building. By breaking up the wind patterns, the building experiences less pressure and swaying. But that's not all. They also incorporated setbacks into the design. These setbacks are like steps that the building takes as it rises, which play a crucial role in its stability. As the tower rises, it steps back at specific intervals, creating a spiraling effect. This design not only adds to the building's aesthetic appeal, but also serves a functional purpose. This not only looks cool, but also creates different wind patterns at each level, further minimizing the impact of strong winds. By varying the shape and setbacks, the engineers ensured that the wind's force is distributed more evenly, making the Burj Khalifa a marvel of modern engineering.
All right, let's talk foundation. When it comes to constructing a skyscraper, especially one as monumental as the Burj Khalifa, the foundation is everything. It's the bedrock upon which dreams are built, quite literally. You can't just plop a building this massive on any old ground, especially in the desert. The desert presents unique challenges that require innovative solutions. The sand is loose and shifting, not exactly ideal for supporting a skyscraper, let alone the world's tallest. The constantly moving sand dunes and the lack of solid ground make it a daunting task.
The solution: dig deep and reinforce. This means going far below the surface to find more stable ground and then fortifying it to handle the immense weight of the structure above. The Burj Khalifa's foundation is a marvel of engineering. It's not just about depth, it's about creating a stable base that can withstand the test of time and the forces of nature. It consists of a massive concrete mat supported by hundreds of concrete piles driven deep into the ground. This mat acts like a giant raft, distributing the weight evenly. These piles, some over 160 feet long, anchor the building securely, preventing it from sinking or tilting. They reach down to more stable layers of earth, providing a firm grip. To further strengthen the soil, they used a technique called ground improvement. This is crucial in ensuring that the foundation remains solid over the years. This involved injecting a special grout mixture into the ground, which solidified and increased the soil's load-bearing capacity. The grout acts like a glue, binding the particles together. Talk about a solid foundation. With these techniques, the Burj Khalifa stands tall and proud, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess.
Concrete jungle, pushing the limits of building material. Let's talk concrete, the lifeblood of any skyscraper. But building the Burj Khalifa required something special, something that could withstand extreme pressures and temperatures. The engineers developed a high-performance concrete mix specifically for this project. This super concrete was incredibly strong and durable thanks to the addition of special admixtures and aggregates. But here's the kicker. They had to pour the concrete at night. Why? Because the scorching desert heat during the day would cause the concrete to cure too quickly, leading to cracks and weaknesses. By pouring at night when the temperature was cooler, they ensured the concrete cured slowly and evenly, resulting in a structure as strong as can be. Sky-high logistics, building a city in the clouds. Now imagine the logistics of building something this tall. Getting materials and workers up and down safely is a monumental task.
The Burj Khalifa required a complex system of high-speed elevators and construction hoists. We're talking about elevators that travel at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. These elevators weren't just for transporting people. They were essentially vertical highways, moving tons of materials, equipment and concrete to the upper floors.
And safety? Paramount. Workers at those heights wore harnesses and followed strict safety protocols to prevent accidents. The construction of the Burj Khalifa set new standards for safety in high-rise construction. Technological marvel Biome and the face of innovation. Building the Burj Khalifa wasn't just about brute strength and manpower, it was also about embracing cutting-edge technology. The project heavily relied on Building Information Modeling, or BIM, a sophisticated software that creates a three-dimensional digital representation of the entire building. Think of it like a digital blueprint on steroids. BIM allowed architects and engineers to visualize and coordinate every aspect of the building, from the structural elements to the electrical wiring, before a single brick was laid. This technology helped to streamline the construction process, minimize errors, and ensure that everything fit together perfectly. From construction to creation, the final touches. With the structure complete, it was time for the final touches.
The Burj Khalifa's exterior is clad in over 24,000 reflective glass panels, specially designed to withstand the intense desert heat. These panels not only give the building its iconic shimmer, but also help to regulate the interior temperature.
Inside, the Burj Khalifa is a masterpiece of modern design and luxury. It houses residential apartments, offices, hotels, restaurants, and even an observation deck offering breathtaking views of Dubai. Maintaining this vertical city requires a small army of technicians, engineers, and cleaning crews who work around the clock to keep everything running smoothly. A monument to human ingenuity, the Burj Khalifa's legacy. So there you have it, folks, the story of the Burj Khalifa, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of pushing boundaries. From its innovative structural design to its high-tech construction methods, the Burj Khalifa is a shining example of what's possible when we dare to dream big. This building isn't just about breaking records, it's about inspiring future generations of engineers, architects and dreamers to reach for the impossible. The Burj Khalifa is a symbol of human ambition, a reminder that with enough creativity, determination, and a whole lot of hard work, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. And that's something worth celebrating.